Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. Et voici Ananas qui dit bonjour. Est-ce que ça va bien aujourd'hui, Ananas? Oui, ça va bien. Good job. I'm so happy that you joined our class today because we have a great lesson on how to make sentences and then turn them into a little mini book. Alors, je suis très contente de vous voir aujourd'hui, les amis. Nous allons utiliser les mots appris dans la leçon 3.3 pour composer des phrases et faire des petits livres. So this is livre 3.3 son I. Alors, on va commencer. Let's get started. Well, here is our sentence starter, Anana, and it says c'est. C'est means it is or this is. So we took a picture of one of the EEE sound flashcards. Alors la carte est claire, wapiti, and this little word in front of wapiti is un. That means that wapiti is a masculine word, un wapiti. So we're going to start the sentence with c'est, and we're going to finish with un wapiti. So let's go to our next page to see what happens when we put them together. C'est un wapiti. Can you repeat that? C'est un wapiti. There you go, Anana. Is it scary learning how to write sentences? No, not at all. Alors, on continue, les amis. On tourne la page. C'est un citron. Can you repeat that? C'est un citron. Bravo. C'est un filet. C'est un filet. Bravo. Continue. C'est un nid. C'est un nid. Anana, do you remember what c'est means? C'est? Oh oui, c'est. It is. It is or this is a nest. Bravo. Ce sont des bijoux. Oh, Anana, I'm not saying c'est ici. Do you know what's happening? No, I've changed the word from c'est to ce sont because in this case, we have lots of jewelry in this picture, beaucoup de bijoux. So because there's lots, we're going to use ce sont. Ce sont des bijoux. Can you say that? Ce sont des bijoux. Bravo! Good job! On continue, les amis. Oh, we have arrived to the end of the book. When you arrive to the end, you should write the end in French. En français, c'est la fin. Can you say that? La fin. Thank you so much for joining us for our lesson today. Merci beaucoup, les amis. I hope you have fun making mini books. We'll see you next time. Au revoir, les amis. Au revoir.